Samsung is back with a pair of new ultra short throw projectors. They have released their latest Premiere 7 and their latest Premiere 9 ultra short throw 4K projectors. The model number to identify these new releases is the LPU9D. This is the flagship Premiere 9 for this year, and the Premiere 7 is the LPU7D. That is the way you differentiate it from the previous model they released back in 2022. It is going to replace that model. For instance, the LPU9D will replace the LSP90 from that year. This is how it's going to go. There is a lot of changes. Now, both models will transform your living room into a premium cinema experience. There is also the fact that Samsung says that these projectors support HDR in both HDR10 and HDR10 plus formats with brightness figures that is ridiculously high as well. You get a 3450 lumens of peak brightness for the Premiere 9 and 2500 lumens for the Premiere 7. Samsung claims that both models will deliver very sharp and dynamic visual and cover an impressive 154% and 100% DCI-P3 standard color space on both the 9 and the 7 respectively. So both models are very capable of projecting images of up to 130 inches, and that is for the Premiere 9. The Premiere 7 can do 120 inches. That's if you want to watch 4K content in all its glory. This is what they can offer. Samsung is even taking a couple of things away from their TV, their top of the line TV range, and they are putting it in these two projector lineup, which will include AI powered picture enhancements like Vision Booster. There will also be AI upscaling. The former, they basically can help adjust brightness and contrast in accordance with the natural light in your viewing environment to deliver the best picture quality. So that's what you get. There will also be the fact that you get stunning 4K resolution regardless of the original quality. You will get that upscaling that people want from their top level projectors, as well as the fact that it's going to be very similar to their high-end TVs as well, like their QN900D 8K mini LED TV that is being sold by the brand currently. So look, this is big. This is big. In fact, Samsung even went big with the sound on these projectors they launched. The Premiere 9 will come with a 40 watts 2.2.2 channel audio system. It's going to have a dedicated up firing speaker. You will also get a 2.2 channel music system, audio system with the Premiere 7. It's gonna be 30 watts, not the loudest, but it's manageable for a projector. Both models will support Dolby Atmos, with Samsung saying that they will deliver exceptional sound for the money. They will be loaded with Tizen OS. You get Tizen OS operating system on these two projectors. It will give you comprehensive app support like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. They're all built in, while gamers can take advantage of the built-in streaming apps without the need to hook up a console. The Premiere 7 and Premiere 9 can be used as wireless smart speakers when not in use, with voice controls on board for hands-free operation. Samsung is also including their brands Bixby Assistant and Amazon Alexa in this new model. So look, guys, as for price tag, the Premiere 9 is going to retail for $6,000. In the UK, it's going to be £4,500. Then the Premiere 7 will retail for $3,000 and around £2,270 in the UK. I'm going to drop details for you guys because they are currently now available for pre-order. They are both available in the United States, Canada, China, with full rollouts in more regions later this year. Share your thoughts down below. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.